Hello guys, how's it going? This is Pembelajar Tangguh Speak. Today I'm going to tell you how to pronounce English P sound with a simple way. Here we go. P as in pie, happy, hope. How to production. Close your lips, then blow them open with a puff of air but without voice. For example, pear, pig, pet, palm, part, pour, people, September, April, purple, complete, apartment, top, hip, pep, nap, cap, soup. Comparison. Practice these contrasting sounds which are sometimes confused. Repeat several times. For example, beer, pear, rib, rib, cab, cap, bee, pea, big, pig, bath, path, bay, pay, bed, pet. In sentences, for example, 1. The paper was printed and published without profit. 2. We had to learn both the past and present tense of all verbs. 3. Jane carefully packed the apples and pieces in the basket. 4. Our plan was opposed by almost everyone present. 5. Drops of water kept dripping from the roof. 6. The umpire, now in bad temper, argued loudly with the player. In paragraph, the Reverend Peter Perry, pastor of the First Episcopal Church, 22 Prince Street, Peekskill, New York, was making a telephone call to a friend of his, the Reverend Paul Parder, pastor of an Episcopal church in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Is this a person-to-person call? The operator asked Reverend Perry. No, said Reverend Perry. This is person-to-person. Okay guys, that's all about our lesson today. I hope this lesson useful and help to improve our English ability. Thanks guys. See you at next video. Bye bye.